No, I can't hear anything over the intercom, but maybe you should leave it alone. In fact, I'm sure you should leave it alone. What did you do? Hey, why are so fishy?
Shipping company, Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler and a businessman is never done. I have many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on their fastest ships in the water. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Of course you will be compensated for the generous load of your ship. And the resistance will get the supplies they needed. Maybe a little something for me. It is time to go, my friends. Listen carefully to your mission briefing and try to work together now. Your lives and my profit depend on it. So let's get you on those ships.
Square buttons on your lap.
Welcome, my friends, right this way. Nothing to be afraid of yet. Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you are all the precious cargo.
Remain seated and supervise younglings.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie takes flight. This thing will hit the head. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get the coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners. Cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I have coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe did something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon the engine. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. after a train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. They've locked on to us. Take evasive action.